In this video, we are going to discuss what artificial intelligence is, and this video is brought to you by Analytics Finishing School. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a science and technology based on disciplines such as computer science, biology, psychology, linguistics, mathematics, and engineering. Sounds technical, huh? Sounds everything other than technical, rather rephrase, okay? So artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science which is sort of trying to understand the reasoning and intervention from different disciplinaries of education domains such as computer science, biology, psychology, linguistics, mathematics, and engineering, and then trying to create models and algorithms which can be sort of implanted into devices so that they can make smarter decisions and do the reasoning the way human and other living organisms do. Well, technically it's not other living organisms, just how human would do. Okay, so this is artificial intelligence. A major thrust of AI is in the development of computer functions associated with human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, and problem solving. It's a common known fact that computers were first discovered just to sort of perform certain executions when the input was given to them. Let's say, if the weather is actually hot, probably you should let the user be notified. If it is not, then probably you shouldn't be letting the user notified. So it was based on more if and else condition than to actually let the computer make their own assumptions and reasonings and then give the output which they felt was best at a given instant of time, the way a human would probably respond to a situation. Okay? Comparisons between human and computer intelligence. Normal humans have the same intellectual mechanisms, and that differences in intelligence are related to quantitative biochemical and psychological conditions. But computer programs have plenty of speed and memory, but their abilities correspond to the intellectual mechanism that program designers understand well enough to put in programs. So, to understand on a very bigger picture, humans are governed by the intellectual mechanisms and a few with biochemical and psychological chemical reactions that is happening inside their body for a specific stimuli, which is not really the case in computers, right? Computers derive the governing power from actually the programmer who's implemented a specific set of logic which the computer is supposed to execute. This is where the computer is not able to make independent decisions, right? Whenever people do better than computers on some task, or computers use a lot of computation to do as well as people, this demonstrates that the program designer lacks understanding of the intellectual mechanism required to do the task efficiently. Right? So there are a lot of tasks which humans do much better than computers would probably do at that particular situation, and that has generally got to do more with the programmer who's designed the computer logic such that they're not able to handle the situation very well the way a human would be able to, right? So that's where the whole artificial intelligence comes into picture. You're trying to make systems as resembling, as resonating as human intelligence, just so that they can act smart and wisely the way a human would do at a specific situation or stimuli. What are its advantages? Why would we want this in the first place? It can help improve our way of life, definitely. We can have computers doing a lot of chores for us. They can help us from cleaning, cooking, to some of the important tasks such as driving, tutoring, teaching, mentoring, etc. Machines will be able to do the jobs that require detailed instructions, so definitely there'll be less number of humans employed to do the specific set of tasks, as computers will be really fast to do the same similar kinds of tasks. Use robots for heavy construction, military benefits, or even for personal assistance at private homes. So the days are not that far when we'll have a personal computer at our at our houses who would actually be listening to all of our commands and then just sorting all our chores and errands for us. That would be really cool. Besides, robotics industry have a very big important role to play even for military. They've got great jobs for heavy construction works because they'll, replace humans really well with their fast, efficient efforts. Many of our health problems now have possible solutions with the use of artificial intelligence in studies at universities. It's a known fact that nowadays we started using artificial intelligence based algorithms in our studies. Thereby, we are sort of improving the living conditions of people and making their lives better. So that's all for artificial intelligence video. Please stay tuned for more videos and lecture series. I am definitely sure you guys are going to really enjoy the lectures that we have compiled for you, and this will really help you build confidence with your understanding of what exactly machine learning, artificial intelligence, big data analytics is, and helping you sustain and create a good job opportunity for yourself. I look forward to hearing from all of you. Thank you.